Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Okta SAML for Workday integration, complete guide step by step clearly. To configure Okta SAML for Workday integration, begin by logging into your Okta admin dashboard. Navigate to the Applications section on the left-hand menu. Click on Add Application to create a new application integration. In the search bar, type Workday and select the Workday application from the results. On the application configuration page, select the SAML 2.0 option to set up the SAML integration. Click on the Next button to proceed with the configuration. Now, you will need to provide the SAML settings. In the single sign-on URL field, enter the Workday SSO URL provided by Workday. For the audience URA field, input the Workday entity ID as specified in the Workday documentation. In the default relay state field, you can leave it blank unless specified otherwise by Workday. Next, configure the name ID format to email address. Under Attribute Statements, click on Add Attribute to include the necessary attributes. For the first attribute, set the name to first name and map it to the user's first name in Okta. Add another attribute by clicking Add Attribute once again. Set the name to last name and map it to the user's last name in Okta. Continue by adding an attribute named Email, mapping it to the user's email address. After configuring all the required attributes, click Next to proceed. Review the settings you provided for accuracy. Once verified, click on the Finish button to complete the application setup in Okta. Now, navigate to the Sign On tab of the newly created Workday application. Here, you will find the SAML settings you just configured. Locate the Identity Provider metadata link and download the metadata file. Log into your Workday tenant as an administrator. In Workday, navigate to the Integration System section. Select SAML 2.0 configuration to start configuring SAML for Workday. Upload the previously downloaded Okta metadata file into the required section. Configure the necessary settings in Workday, including the SSO URL and the certificate details from Okta. Save your changes in Workday after confirming all entries are correct. Test the SSO functionality by attempting to log in through Okta to access Workday. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.